Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to schedule night light on Windows 10 PC. Click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Click on the System icon. In the left sidebar, click on Display tab. Under Night Light section, click on Night Light Settings link. Now under Schedule section, toggle the button to turn it on. You can find two options. If you select Sunset to Sunrise option, night light will be automatically turned on when sunset happens in your time zone, and it will be turned off automatically on sunrise. If you select Set Hours, you have to manually set the timings as per your requirement. Based on your inputs, night light will be scheduled. This is how you can schedule night light on Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching.